Good morning. Happy Friday. It is time for our math lesson for Friday, May 22nd. Today, we are going to be completing pages 795 to 798. We are doing a problem-solving investigation, and what we're going to do is we're going to be using the strategy of make an organized list. So I'm going to do a couple of example problems, and then you will have a chance to work out some problems on your own. All right, so learn the strategy. It says, Sebastian has 24 hundredths of a dollar. How many different combinations of coins could he have? All right, so first we have to understand, we have to figure out what facts do we know, okay? So we know that Sebastian has 24 hundredths of a dollar, okay? So basically 24 cents, right? And what do we need to find? We need to find the number of possible coin combinations. So for the plan, we're going to make an organized list. So let's take a look at an organized list that solves this problem. So 24 hundredths of a dollar equals 24 cents. Okay, so to make 24 cents with the fewest amount of coins would be 2 dimes and 4 pennies, right? Now the 4 pennies are always going to have to be that 4 cents because we cannot break the 4 pennies into any smaller amounts. But we can take one of the dimes, and so we would have 1 dime, and we can break that 1 dime into 2 nickels, and then there would be 4 pennies. We could take one of the nickels here, and we could make that into 5 pennies, so there would be 9 pennies. There would be 1 nickel and 1 dime left. Then we can break up this last dime here, and we can break that into 2 nickels. So if we had all of the 20 cents as nickels, it would be 4 nickels and 4 pennies, right? Then we could take one of those nickels and make it into pennies. So there would be 3 nickels and then 9 pennies. Then we could take another nickel and break it into pennies. So then it would be 2 nickels and 4 pennies, or 14 pennies, right? Then we could take that another nickel, right? And we could break that up into a nickel and 19 pennies. We could make 1 dime and 14 pennies. And then of course we can have 24 pennies, right? Okay, so let's count the combinations. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 different combinations that his coins could be. Does your answer make sense? Explain. So yes, it makes sense because you can break the coins up 9 different ways. Okay. Now we're going to go and we're going to look at example 2. Okay. So example 2 says, Brody has 3 cats. One has a mass of 4,523 grams. One has a mass of 5,012 grams. One has a mass of 4,702 grams. If Brody picks up 2 of the cats at once, what are the possible total masses that Brody is carrying? Okay, so first we have to think, what facts do we know? We know that he has 3 cats. So Brody has 3 cats. So I'm going to call, so there's cat A is 4,523 grams. Okay. Then there's going to be cat B. Cat B is 5,012 grams. And then there's going to be cat C. And cat C is 4,702 grams. Okay. What do we need to find? We need to find the total mass, the possible total masses Brody is carrying. Okay, so the plan, we're going to make an organized list. Okay, so first, so he's only going to be holding 2 of the cats. So he could be holding cat A and B, right? All right, so if he's holding cat A and B, so cat A is 4,523 grams, and cat B is 5,012 grams. So if we add those together, we've got 3 plus 2 is 5, 2 plus 1 is 3, 5 plus 0 is 5, and then 4 plus 5 is 9. So that possibility is 9,535 grams. Okay. So if he puts cat B down and he has cat A and C, so cat A is 4,523 grams and cat C is 4,702 grams. So now I'm going to add those together and I get 2 plus 3 is 5, 2 plus 0 is 2, 5 plus 7 is 12, and then 4 plus 4 is 8 plus 1 is 9. That's 9,225 grams. Okay, so if he was carrying cat A, then he would have 2 possibilities. He could either be holding cat A and B or cat A and C, right? So now we found all the combinations with cat A. Now, if he's holding cat B, cat B, we already found cat B with cat A, right? So it could be cat B and C, right? So cat B would be 5,012 grams and cat C would be 4,702 grams. So we've got 2 plus 2 is 4, 1 plus 0 is 1, 0 plus 7 is 7, and 5 plus 4 is 9, 9,714 grams. Okay. So we've got cat B with both A and C. We have cat A with both B and C. Now cat C, we have cat C with cat A and we have cat C with cat B. So that means that we found all the different combinations that he could be carrying, okay? So there are 3 different combinations, right? And so does your answer make sense? Yes. There are 3 different combinations. They are 9,535 grams, 9,225 grams, and 9,714 grams. Okay, So now it's your turn. Go ahead and finish completing pages 797 and 798. And then I hope you have